My name is Albert. So today I'm going to share with you some hidden features of WhatsApp that's going to blow your mind. Now, WhatsApp is the most popular messaging app that has over 2 billion active users. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so what I want us to do now is to get into WhatsApp, and then the next thing that we are going to do is to hit the three dots on the upper right corner like so, and then you go to settings. Okay, now the first thing that we are going to do is to make sure that we save our phone some storage. So we go to manage storage here, and WhatsApp is going to show you the chats that has taken much of your data. So it's going to show up in that order. So if you look at Greenlanders, this particular group, I have 158 megabytes. Now you are seeing this because I installed my WhatsApp not long ago, and so that's how come you see this. But there are some groups that you realize that the files that they've sent in that group have taken most of your storage. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to Agape House, and you see I can just save my phone some storage by selecting everything, and then I'll just hit delete. Now when I hit delete from here, you can see that, and then everything has been deleted. Now I've saved my phone some storage. Okay, if you come to the top here, you have larger files that are larger than 5 megabytes. So you can basically come here and then select those files that are larger than 5 megabytes and delete. In this case, I think I need this file, so I'll not delete them. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do here is to send photos in their original quality. If you look at the last option at storage and data, you have photo upload quality. So I just hit it and it's on automatic. Okay, so we are just going to choose best quality. Now when I do this and I hit OK, if I send anybody any photograph, it's going to go in the original quality. Alright, now the next thing that we are going to do is to save ourselves some mobile data. Okay, so I'm just going to say media auto download over here, media auto download. I'm just going to choose when using mobile data, and then you see that all the boxes are checked. What we are going to do is to uncheck all those boxes and say okay. Now when you do this, WhatsApp is not going to auto download documents, photographs and videos. You would have to go and download them manually when they are being sent to you. So the next thing that we are going to do now is, if I type something here, say hello, I can basically strike through, bolden this hello, and I can do a lot of stuff simply by just selecting all the text here, and then click on this three dots here, and you have that options here. So I can italize it, I can bolden it, and I can strike through. So let's bolden it like this, and then you can see that the text is boldened. Now you can select it again, hit the three dots from here, and then just go to strike through, and then you can see that this text has been striked through. The next thing is that you can actually react to some messages. You know that it's not every message that you have to say okay or yes or something like that. So you can just tap and hold the message, and then the reactions will just come. So I can just hit the thumbs up icon just like you have done for this video, and then you are good to go. Now the last thing that we are going to check today is to mute notifications. Okay, so if you come back here, you see this group that says admin group 3. Okay, that's my school group, and now that we're on vacation, I don't want to be hearing all those notifications for messages that people have been sending. Sometimes, you know, it can be annoying. So you just come here at the top and then hit mute notifications. Now you can always mute it, or you can mute it for a week. You can mute it for a couple of hours, like 8 hours like you see here. And so I'm just going to say always, and then I hit OK. Now notifications for this particular group has been muted. Alright guys, so that's where we ended. Thank you so much for sticking with me to the end of this video, and I know you are blown away. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that red button there to subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Hit the thumbs up icon if this video is actually relevant to you, and guys, I'll catch you in the next video.